In one of my discussion with my client, so I was very vocal about the personal branding and its impact on the market. So then he asked me how big brands are selecting celebrities to market their product. What is their consideration? It was an interesting question. So then I explained it with an example, which is an example came to my mind, which is very interesting actually. It's an interesting story. So see, every company while selecting a celebrity to market, to make them their brand ambassador, they consider the particular celebrity's on and off image in line with their brand image and their product image. These are all things they are concerned. Be it Salman Khan for Thumbs Up, or be it Akshay Kumar for Thumbs Up earlier, they consider their off-screen and on-screen image. We cannot think Rajinikanth selling a Harpic. Their on and off-screen image don't connect. People will reject it brutally. So the companies are concerned about their on and off-screen image, which should be in line with their product and their company brand image. Let me explain this with an example which is very interesting. There was an awareness campaign about pulse polio. So UN has signed Mr. Amitabh Bachchan for their campaign. It's a social cause. It's a campaign for social cause. So what happened when they have designed the campaign in such a way that Bachchan was coming on screen and requesting people to bring their children to polio booth to eradicate pulse polio from India. But the result was very astonishing. People were not turning up in the polio booth, especially in villages. They increased the campaign intervals, they increased the time of the campaign, everything they have done, but there were no turn up, there were no improvement. Then they had a brainstorming session. So someone suggested that, see, people are seeing Mr. Bachchan as an angry young man, or still they are actually an angry young man. And in villages especially, if you want to bring your child to the polio booth, you need to get permission from your parents. That means the children's grandparents. So they saw Amitabh Bachchan as an angry young man, So when Bachchan is coming in screen and requesting, they are not connecting the message. It is not connecting at all. That could be the reason why people are not coming to the polio booth. Could be the reason. Then they thought about it, well thought out, and they have changed the campaign. They have changed the advertisement as per Mr. Bachchan's image in village. So Bachchan was literally screaming on the screen to bring children to the polio booth. Let's see that.
धिक्कार है हम पर, पोलियो के बूथ पे इतने कम लोग। कब तक अपने घर बैठे इंतजार करते रहेंगे आप? कब तक अपनी जिम्मेदारियों से मुंह मोड़ते रहेंगे? अरे भाई, मां बाप तो बच्चों के लिए क्या क्या नहीं करते। 2 बूंदें जो आपके बच्चे को जिंदगी दे सकती हैं, उसके लिए आप 4 कदम नहीं चल सकते।
See, Bachchan has gone back to his angry young man avatar. The result changed. People started turning out in the polio booth. So what I mean to say is that, see, people has to connect with your product, with your brand's message and celebrities on and off image. This is there with the celebrity. So when you are building your personal brand in the market, that is, you are slowly becoming the face of the company. So in your career somewhere you will become the face of the company in the market. You need to maintain this synchronization with the company's brand and product's image and product's language along with your brand. Else there will be a friction. It won't connect with the people. You won't get sales. So you can't find out the reason. So if you're not following me in social media, I share this kind of stuff as part of my research in this YouTube channel. So do subscribe if you find it helpful, and follow me on social media. I've given my every social media link in the description, and I hope this helps. Thank you.